Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I have an exciting news for you, and I know that is the reason why you click on this particular video. Yes, the exciting news is that I am coming to launch a 30-day graphic design masterclass for free. Yes, I know you have been wondering in this year 2026, it has been your goal this year to learn graphic designing, and so you have been wondering where and how you are going to learn graphic designing. And so next month, which is March 1st, I am going to use every day to teach you everything that you have to know about graphic designing, from the meaning of graphic designing, elements of graphic designing, principles of graphic designing, examples, types of graphic designing, who a graphic designing is, everything that you need to know. I am going to hold your hand and walk you through step by step in order for you to learn this, and you will never regret in this 30 days. And so I know that this particular year it has been your dream, it has been your goals to learn graphic designing. And so if you find this channel, please do not forget to like the video, share it to that particular friend of yours who is also having the same dream just as yours, for him or for her to join as we walk through this journey of becoming a graphic designer this year. And so please make sure to stay tuned. I'm starting on the 1st of March to the 30th of March 2026. Now somebody may ask, why am I teaching, or why am I doing this class or this course for free? You know what, when I started graphic designing, I'm a product of self-taught graphic designer. Nobody taught me how to learn graphic designing. I learned everything all by myself. Yes, here in the YouTube University. Yes, I always say that YouTube is a very big platform for everybody. Everything that you want to learn in this world, just come to YouTube and you'll find it. And so if you see this particular video, if you have chanced on this particular video, I'm here to tell you that it is not a mistake. You are in the right place if you want to become a graphic designer this year. Okay, so when I had a plan, it's always my desire to become a graphic designer, most especially when I see church flyers or when I see flyers in town. I mostly ask myself, how are they able to do this particular design? Because I always want to and want to become one. And so I had nobody, and so I just chanced on YouTube, and then I started learning everything all by myself. I later even bought courses online just to master my skills and to upgrade my knowledge. Okay, but whatever that I have learned over the years, I've been a graphic designer for over 6 years now. And so all the skills that I've gotten, all the knowledge that I have, I want to share with you here for free without paying anything. It has been my dream just to be on this platform to showcase or to share what I've also learned over the years. And so please do me a favor by just liking the video and then subscribe to join this awesome family. Okay, the second reason I am also teaching this is, you see, we are in this world of technological world. We are in the global world now. Everywhere that you are, you can be a graphic designer. And so I'm a teacher by profession, so I wanted another side job, skill, or another knowledge, or another side job that I can do apart from my teaching in the classroom or being in the office. And so that's the main reason why I figure it out that after school I have more time which I can use to learn it. And so if you have more time, you can just allocate some of the time to learn the skill. Okay, and it is going to help you, because for instance, I myself, I have never regretted of becoming a graphic designer at all. And I can always say that this graphic designing thing that I've learned has really paid me a lot. And through this graphic designing, I've had clients from US, from UK, from people in Nigeria, and also I have been able to have friends from South Africa, and there are so many places that I can't even mention them now. And so the main reason why I want to share this with you is for you to also have a side job, and that is going to pay you a lot. Another way of doing this particular free graphic design course is it has always been my desire to share to the world what I know. I always love to teach, even if nobody is paying me. That is what I want, because nobody has sent me to do this particular video. I had a thought of, why don't I come to this platform just to share to you what I know about graphic designing and also walk you through. And I bet you in this 30-day challenge you are going to learn a whole lot of things about graphic designing. And so please don't also forget to share with me what you also want to learn. What tool do you want to learn? Is it Adobe Photoshop? Is it CorelDRAW? Please do not forget to share with me in the comment section your expectations. What are your expectations? What are you looking forward to learn? Just share with me in the comment section. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join this awesome family. Let me see you in our next video. Bye.